Welcome to Patagonia, a land where nature reigns supreme and adventure knows no bounds. Nestled at the southern tip of South America, this wild and untamed region offers a breathtaking tapestry of landscapes. Join us as we delve into the wonders of this remarkable region. Perito Moreno Glacier covers approximately 250 square kilometers and stretches over 30 kilometers in length. It terminates in Lago Argentino, the largest freshwater lake in Argentina. Periodically, the glacier advances to form a natural dam, blocking the southern arm of the lake and creating a temporary reservoir called Brazo Rico. The glacier and surrounding park are home to a variety of flora and fauna, including Andean condors, guanacos, and various species of birds and plants adapted to the cold climate. The Perito Moreno Glacier is one of the most visited tourist destinations in Patagonia. Visitors can experience the glacier through various means, including boat tours, trekking excursions on the ice, and walking along the extensive network of viewing platforms. The marble caves are located on the shores of General Carrera Lake. The caves are accessible primarily by boat. The marble exhibits a range of colors from deep blues to bright whites, depending on the mineral content and the intensity of sunlight reflected from the water. The clear turquoise waters of the lake further enhance these colors, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. Two of the most famous formations within the marble caves are known as the Marble Cathedral and the Marble Chapel, which are particularly noted for their grandeur and intricate natural architecture. Kayaking through the marble caves is a popular activity for adventurous tourists, allowing for an intimate experience as visitors navigate through narrow passages and marvel at the stunning formations up close. The Beagle Channel is approximately 240 kilometers long and varies in width from about 5 kilometers to 13 kilometers. The Beagle Channel is rich in wildlife, including sea lions, fur seals, dolphins, and a variety of bird species such as the albatrosses. Penguins can also be found on some of the islands in the channels. One of the most iconic landmarks in the Beagle Channel is the Les Éclaireurs Lighthouse, often referred to as the lighthouse at the end of the world. This lighthouse, located on a small rocky islet, guides ships through the channel. The surrounding areas offer excellent opportunities for hiking and trekking, with trails leading through forests, mountains, and along the coastline. One famous trek is the Dientes de Navarino circuit on Navarino Island. Known as the trekking capital of Argentina, El Chaltén attracts hikers and outdoor enthusiasts from all over the world. Mount Fitzroy, also known as Cerro Fitzroy, stands at 3,405 meters above sea level. The most popular hike in the area is the trek to Laguna de los Tres, a glacial lake that offers stunning views of Mount Fitzroy. This round-trip hike is approximately 20 kilometers and takes about 10 hours. Another scenic option is the trail to Laguna Capri, which is about 8 kilometers round-trip and provides beautiful views of Mount Fitzroy. Additionally, the Laguna Torre Trail leads to the base of Cerro Torre, another iconic peak in the region. This hike is around 18 kilometers round-trip and offers views of glaciers and the dramatic spire of Cerro Torre. Hikers may encounter wildlife, while birdwatchers can spot a variety of bird species unique to the region. The Valdez Peninsula covers approximately 3,625 square kilometers and is connected to the mainland by a narrow isthmus known as the Ameghino Isthmus. One of the peninsula's most famous attractions is the large population of southern right whales that gather in the waters around the peninsula. The peninsula also hosts one of the largest Magellanic penguin colonies in the world, with around 500,000 penguins nesting at Punta Tombo. It is a paradise for birdwatchers, boasting over 180 species, including the flightless lesser rhea, various cormorants, oystercatchers, and the endangered hooded grebe. Additionally, the clear waters around the peninsula are ideal for diving and snorkeling, offering opportunities to see marine life such as sea lions, dolphins, and a variety of fish. As our journey through Patagonia comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired by the extraordinary landscapes and unforgettable experiences this incredible region has to offer. Whether you're planning your next big adventure or simply dreaming of exploring this wild frontier, Patagonia promises memories that will last a lifetime.